Create Your Space is all about encouraging people to expand their skill set and make the most of their budget. With these recommendations, anyone can personalise their outdoor spaces, making a feature area that reflects their personal style. Planning your design is essential for creating the type of space you're after. Consider why you want a screen. Is it to block something off, add definition to an outdoor zone, or to create a barrier? With these things in mind, it will make it easier for you to choose the products that are right for your project. Bamboo screening is a quick and effective way to cover a fence. If you have a small area that's looking a little bland, adding some bamboo screening can make the area look more visually appealing. It's extremely cost-effective and non-permanent, which makes it perfect for renters. It's super easy to install using a hammer and some galvanised nails. It adds warmth and texture and just creates a lovely backdrop to the space. The great thing about this project is it has minimal impact to the fence, so it can be removed easily. By adding the Bistro Furniture, this kettle barbecue and some plant life, this small space has been transformed. The colour of the furniture contrasts perfectly against the screening, and by adding this barbecue, we've turned this small space into a small entertaining zone. If you're after a more permanent, elevated look that still has warm textural tones, you could build a timber screen. These are great at defining separate areas, creating privacy, and even hiding things like bins. We fixed our timber vertically for a contemporary look. You can build screening by attaching it to a fence line or by building a frame. This one was designed to divide the garden into two separate areas, so we chose the frame option. I installed this timber screen by building a frame out of treated pine before attaching the slats. These pre-oiled timber panels made it incredibly easy to create this look. I spaced the timber slats 5 mm apart. Some people even choose to mix up the spacing in between to create a more geometric or abstract look. It's completely up to you and your personal taste. The timber tones blend perfectly with the surrounding flora, and it feels like it belongs in the space. Now, if you're really after the wow factor, these decorative screens are the way to go. They create the beautiful silhouette similar to a breeze block look, but they are extremely durable and they rule out the need for any brickwork. One of the best things about these screens is that they create privacy, but they still let light in and don't restrict airflow. Another bonus is they don't need to be painted and will never rot or rust. They're not low maintenance, they're no maintenance. Well, maybe the occasional cobweb or two. They come in a huge range of patterns and colours. The hardest part is choosing which ones to go for. Once you have, it's as easy as setting in some posts and constructing a frame to attach them to. Once the frame is built, the screens are simply put into place and fixed with screws. Then presto, it's finished. This type of screening is perfect to create a luxurious, intimate area in your backyard or garden. Add a table, some comfy chairs and cushions, and you have yourself a wonderful space to relax outdoors. And there you have it, 3 different screening options: affordable, stylish, and super easy to do yourself.